Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel. This video is gonna bring you guys up to date on the combine situation here. Today is November 9th and we've been basically to November 8th when I put the video up. How about the second breakdown we had here? That's just in case I don't put this up right after I record it. But yeah, we did get that whole pulley assembly in there. That I showed you was all wobbly and everything. There now you guys can see it a little bit. It's harder with the shield sitting there, and that's kind of a problem by itself right there, just because that shield, I mean, because it's kind of like a U there, you know, or the bracket that mounts to, and only one side of the U where the bolts go in, and when there, you guys can see what I'm talking about. You know, when the shield is off, you know, then you can get to everything decent and stick bolts through there and everything. But the thing is to try to line everything up and, you know, try to slide the shield on without bolts falling out. Cause yeah, like now, you know, with this shield here sitting there, I cannot reach back here at all to put a second bolt up there to help hold it on. And this bottom bolt here will not be an issue, but for up to me, I guess I'd, you know, even as much as I hate to do it, you know, I could just pull that shield off and forget it, because I don't know what might get in there that would cause any sort of problem. But then the other thing is, you know, when my dad and I were out here yesterday on the 8th, spent all afternoon screwing around on this combine trying to get it back in order. You hear that, you know, this belt here, you know, there's one pulley that we cannot get it on. You know, we tried everything we knew of yesterday and nothing worked, and then Dad talked to the service manager at the John Deere dealer this morning and mentioned a couple things, and still nothing's working. And then somewhere in here the green is jammed. There's, you know, there's some sort of jam there that we don't know where in the world it's at. And that was one of the things I did yesterday, is get as much corn freed up as I could. You know, and now it's you know, at the point where it'll run out and back to where you're seeing, and to where the machine should move that around and get it cleaned and let it go up into the tank. And with everything, you know, going as hard as it is, you know, we're pretty sure there's still some sort of jam. So I went ahead and called the service department at the John Deere dealer, and they're gonna have to, you know, one of those guys will have to come out and get this thing going, because, you know, we pretty much exhausted everything we know of. You know, it's kind of unfortunate. You know, you'd think it would be something that you could fix yourself, but we just can't. So I guess that's the way it goes sometimes. And there have been times where we've had to have those guys come out, you know, and fix things that are beyond our ability. But you wouldn't think that this situation would be one of them, but it is. So yeah, if the guy's able to come out here before the moisture moves in, you know, I tried to say that how Millennial Farmer has in some of his videos this fall, but I don't know how well I did there. But yeah, there's supposedly supposed to be moisture moving in here later on today, and then at one point you see this video, and you know, depends, you know, how soon the technician's able to get out here and get this thing going for us. You know, if Mother Nature would otherwise shut us down, then I'll put this video up right away. But if that's not the case, and I'm able to get back to combining, then you'll see that footage before this. So and then if that's the case, then I'll put today's date in the title or something. But well, like I said, it's kind of an unfortunate circumstance, and you know, you'd think you'd be able to do it yourself, but this time you can't. So I guess with that, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Be sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, be sure to scroll over and click that subscribe button. You know, and that's what I could use the most with this channel, is more and more subscriptions. So be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and then once you do that, then scroll over to the right and click on that bell, and then you'll be notified whenever a new video gets posted from the channel. And then you won't miss any content that way. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.